Hello, this is the Hyperglide 350, compact scrubber dryer that's suitable for hard floors and carpets. It's lightweight, it's portable, but it has a robust construction. The two counter-rotating brushes underneath give a swift, effective cleaning method, and it leaves the floor dry to the touch. We have a 5 litre solution tank here, which you can put a diluted chemical solution into, or you could just use straight water if you pre-spraying the floor beforehand. So it has two counter-rotating brushes, which you can see at the base, and a small tank at the back, which collects the water after the cleaning operation. So we'll just try tackling this bit of floor here. The operation is much the same way as that of an upright vacuum, and so you have a little switch at the back here, foot switch, and then the brushes will operate as soon as you put the handle down into the working position. Before we go to clean the floor, we actually have the trigger here which will release the solution. So the method of cleaning will be release the handle down to the working position, apply some solution which will take it down to the brushes, and then just basically use it as like an upright vacuum, so it's backwards and forwards. So, okay. There you can see we're already on the way to a nice clean floor. To learn more about availability and pricing, either call 0121 706 5771 or email sales@victorfloorcare.com.